Every window, every bottle, every screen you look through comes from something that looks completely useless: sand. But not just any sand. And the process that turns it into glass is one of the hottest, fastest, and most fascinating transformations on Earth. So how does simple sand become perfectly transparent glass? It all starts with a special type of sand called silica sand. This is not the sand you find on the beach. Silica sand is rich in silicon dioxide, the main ingredient of glass. It is mined from massive quarries around the world. Huge machines dig deep into the ground, extracting thousands of tons every day. Once collected, the sand is crushed, cleaned, and filtered. Only the purest grains are selected. At this stage, it still looks completely ordinary, just tiny beige grains. But what happens next is where everything changes. The sand is mixed with other materials: soda ash, which lowers the melting temperature; limestone, which makes the glass stronger and more durable; and sometimes recycled glass, which helps save energy. This mixture is called a batch. It looks like a simple powder, but once it enters the furnace, it becomes something entirely different. The batch is fed into a massive industrial furnace. The temperature inside reaches more than 1,700 degrees Celsius. That is hotter than lava. At this heat, the sand does not burn, it melts. The solid grains collapse into a glowing river of molten glass. Bright orange, blindingly hot, moving like thick liquid honey. This molten glass flows continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Some furnaces run non-stop for more than 15 years. Now the liquid glass is ready to become something useful. Depending on what is being made, it enters different machines. For bottles, the molten glass is cut into glowing drops called gobs. Each gob falls into a metal mold. Air is blown inside. The glass expands, and in seconds, a perfect bottle is formed. For flat glass used in windows and screens, the molten glass is poured onto liquid tin. The glass floats smoothly across the surface, forming a perfectly flat sheet. This method is called the float glass process, and it changed the world of construction forever. But the glass is not finished yet. If it cools too fast, it can crack or shatter. So it enters a long cooling tunnel called a layer. Inside, the temperature slowly drops. This removes internal stress and makes the glass strong. Some glass is then heat-treated or chemically strengthened. This is how smartphone screens survive drops and scratches. Every piece of glass is scanned. Cameras check for bubbles, cracks, imperfections. Anything that does not meet standards is crushed and recycled back into the system. Nothing is wasted. Now the glass is ready. It becomes bottles, windows, car windshields, smartphone screens, solar panels, skyscraper walls, all from simple sand. Every year, humans produce more than 130 million tons of glass. And it all starts with something most people walk over without even noticing: sand. The next time you look through a window or take a sip from a bottle, remember, you are looking through melted rock.